Okay, today I'm going to be reviewing for you the Shark Navigator upright. It comes with a 30-foot cord, which is really nice. You get a crevice tool and you get a dusting brush. Mine somehow didn't come with the dusting brush, but I had one that came with a handheld shark unit that I had, so it will look similar to this. It won't be quite as long, your dusting brush, but I can use this. It fits the same. It also comes with a pet power brush, and it comes with a hard floor dusting brush attachment, and it also has a microfiber, here it is, a microfiber attachment that it just velcros on. And I actually received 2 of these. You're supposed to get 1, but that may be what happened. I got 2 of these and somehow didn't get my dusting brush. But anyways, so you suck up the dirt here and it dusts your hard floors with the microfiber attachment. Now I'm going to show you how well this works. I have a really dusty rug. It has cat hair all over it, and I'm going to vacuum it for you and show you how well it works. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take this phone with me to show you at the same time. Here we go. Hopefully it's not too loud. Here is the power button. You can do bare floor where the brush roll doesn't turn, or you can turn it all the way on to engage the brush roll. But here you can see a huge difference. On the left you can see where I ran the shark. It's very, very clean, and then on the right is the before. It's very, very dirty. So overall, I am so happy with this shark. It is awesome, and I'm so glad I purchased it.
Y'all, so I got this vacuum cleaner yesterday. It's the Shark Navigator Lift Away Deluxe. Y'all, I was torn between a Shark and a Dyson. Look at these lines. Okay, so look at these lines. I used it yesterday and I thought maybe like, oh, okay, maybe my living room, it's a high traffic area. Maybe it was just really dirty. Y'all, this is from me just vacuuming my hallway. Y'all, it makes me feel kind of gross, but oh my God, what the hell? Y'all, if y'all been looking for, I'm so excited, I'm out of breath. If y'all been looking for a new vacuum cleaner, baby, this is it. I'm confuzzled right now. Do you see all of this? I'm allergic to dust. Do you see? This thing say max fill. I went max fill. This is my hallway, y'all. This is all I did. I started doing my bedroom and I said, let me show the people. Y'all, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Bye.
attached down here like that, but it just broke off. $60.